All right. So just wanted to kind of do a follow-up here. We got the Ninja Professional Plus with the kitchen system and Auto IQ. I just want to show you a little bit of what it does and how good it really is. First off, I'm gonna show just kind of crushing ice. Just threw some fresh ice in there, put the lid on, lock it down so that actually puts everything in place. So there's a safety latch here, so it's not going to turn on as I'm pushing it. Not going to turn on until I get everything down, actually lock it in place. Now I'm going to hit, I don't know if you noticed, but the buttons now light up, and I'm going to do just ice crush. So it's going to keep pulsing like that for a few minutes. Not a few minutes, for 1 minute. And it just tests. You can feel how smooth the ice is as it's going. That's the Auto IQ. Awesome. Love it. So we got 19 seconds left, 17. Let it go. And almost. You can see in there, it's like a snow. Like you want to make a snow cone, that's it. Really efficient, really quick. So now we're gonna hit the release button, open it up, and you can kind of see in there. I mean, it is like snow. How awesome is that, huh? Oh man, that is so cool. Such an efficient blender. It is so good. So I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna show you real quick with just a smoothie. So I started putting together a little smoothie. I just have some vegetables in there. There's some lettuce, spinach. I'm gonna put some celery in there as well. I do frozen bananas. I don't like putting ice in there. I think it waters down stuff too much when I do them. So I actually freeze some of my fruit. I'm gonna have some apples as well. Didn't freeze the apples. Some people ask why I don't freeze them. I don't know. Hadn't thought about it. But I may in the future. So here we go. Just adding a few in there, pre-cut. I like a little bit of yogurt in mine as well. So I'm gonna throw just some yogurt, a couple spoonfuls, maybe 3 spoonfuls there. And then a lot of times I'll do some strawberry or blueberry, blackberry, something like that, a little more berry fruit. But today, this is what I'm gonna go with. And then I always use, instead of water, like I said, I don't use ice because I don't like it to water down. I use something like this. So the Ocean Spray Diet 5. This is cran mango. So basically, sugar is cut way down. It's only 1 gram. That's one thing I love about it. I don't like sweet, especially when I'm doing a smoothie. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. Get a little bit there. And then we are ready. So I'm gonna put the lid on. So it's on tight. Go in here, it fits into the grooves. Go there. We're gonna go to the smoothie button. If you see it there. So we're just gonna hit there. Let it go to work. is loud. But honestly, it's quieter than some of the done. All right, so now we just do a quick twist up. We're gonna kind of shake it down. There'd be a little bit on there still. Open it up here. I'll turn a little bit. You can see my ingredients there. You can hear that kind of releasing the pressure there. It is a very, very tight seal, which is good. So there, and then we have our spout drinks, and we are good to go. Now I'm gonna take it with me. Just go to town. I like it. Pretty good. All right, now. See you next time.